Hi guys, today we are going to continue working with form, and we are going to be working on cylinders, spheres, and cones, just like we did on our still life. I threw in a baby sphere, baby sphere, and then a cube. And we're going to draw them so that they are stacked on top of each other. So today is going to be a little bit more practice drawing our 3D forms. Okay, today you guys are just going to need paper, pencil, and crayons. Again, I'm using a marker so that you guys can see what I draw. So I am going to start with my cylinder at the bottom. If you guys remember, we start with an oval for the top. We make straight lines on the sides. And then the bottom of the cylinder is going to be curved like a slight smile. Okay? Next, we're going to draw the sphere, which is just a circle for right now. Then we want to draw the cone, which is going to be triangle-like on top with a curved bottom, similar to the curved bottom on the cylinder. I'm going to draw a little itty-bitty baby sphere. And then with our space left, we are going to draw a cube. Now, to draw the cube, we're going to start with a vertical line going up and down, and I'm going to make diagonal-ish lines, and I'm going to make that end here. So I kind of have the side going on, and I'm going to make this one go sideways as well. And then more lines here. So this was kind of tricky. So let me show you guys that again. To make the cube, you're going to start by making this line going up and down in the middle. You're almost going to make like a V shape coming out of the top of it, and then like a V shape at the bottom. And you're going to connect with two lines going up and down. So it kind of looks like you're drawing a picture book. For the top part then, you want to just draw a diagonal line where it meets in the middle. Now we have our stacked forms. Okay, I do want to add a table, so I'm going to draw a line at the bottom so it looks like my 3D forms are sitting on a table. Okay, so next we are going to get to start coloring. Now with a cube, you can color three sides, three different ways, light, medium, and dark. It doesn't matter which direction you want to go. So if I'm going to do light here, I would do some dark over here, and then I could do my medium on top. Okay, for my baby sphere, I'm going to keep the darks by the dark. So if dark was on this side, I'm going to move dark over here and keep light over here. So by coloring it, I want to keep my dark side on my dark side. Same thing with my my cone. I'm going to keep it dark over here, and I'm going to transition slowly into a very light okay. I have another sphere, so again I want to keep the dark over here, do some curves to get that dark going. And then I'm going to come in here with my lighter. And then I might have to kind of work that a little bit to blend it, but there's my dark all the way to my light for my sphere. And then I have my cylinder at the bottom, and I'm going to go dark over here and work my way light. And then I'm going to do the same thing on the side here. I'm going to start dark, work my way kind of more to a medium, a medium light, and then a light. Okay, and then it's a little choppy looking, so I'm going to kind of just come over it this way to kind of help smooth the transition. Okay, so now I have my stacked forms. And I'm ready to do my table. All right, so I think I'm gonna be working with a blue today, and I think I'm gonna start with my dark over here. Okay. And I'm going to transition that into a medium. And we're going to go all the way to a light. Okay, so I have my value on my table, value on my shapes, and then I am just going to go ahead and color the back wall in. Let's go with just simple purple. Okay, just coloring that in. That a little bit darker, and starting that transition. It's a little bit hard when you have to kind of color behind the shapes, so you just want to kind of fit it in best you can. Doesn't matter if it's not perfect. And then you just keep coloring, and I'm getting softer if you guys can't tell that. Then really soft by the time I'm down here. All right, end result, friends. I have a stack of three-dimensional forms: cube, cylinder, cone, cube, sphere, cone, sphere, cylinder, on a table with value color everywhere. All right, have some fun with this one. I can't wait to see more of your 3D forms. Thanks, friends.